this is Lily. Today I am going to discuss about direct speech and indirect speech. What is the difference between these two? In direct speech, we use the actual words of the speaker. One simple example, I like tea. But in indirect speech, we doesn't use the actual words of the speaker. I have written some examples here. I like tea. This is direct speech. And how can we change this direct speech into indirect speech? He said that he liked tea. We use that lingers here. Before writing these lingers, first identify the sentence. Which type of sentence is this? I like tea. It is a statement. So we use the lingers that here. And this is in simple present tense form. So we want to change this into simple past tense form. Next, I have written interrogative. What is interrogative? Questions. If it is yes or no questions, we use if or whether. But it is WH questions. What, when, how, we use the same. So, I have written one example. He asked me, can you sing? How can we change this interrogative into indirect speech? First, we want to identify yes or no questions or WH questions. Which type of question is this? It is yes or no questions. That's why we can use if or whether. He asked me if I could sing. Instead of that, I can use whether also. Whether I could sing. Next, WH question. He asked her, why did you go there? How to change these WH questions into indirect? He asked her why she had gone there. Here, the tense changed. Why she had gone there. Next, I have given one exclamation. He said, what a beautiful garden. How can we change these exclamatory sentences into indirect speech, reported speech? He exclaimed that it was a beautiful garden. Before going to the tenses, we want to discuss these words. First, in direct speech, this. But in indirect speech, this become that. These become those in indirect speech. Here, the. Now, then. Ago, before. Thus, so. Today, that day. Tomorrow, next day. Yesterday, the day before. Last night, previous night. Next, we are going to discuss about some sentences. Before discussing it in detail, you want to be familiar with these tense rules. First one, present tense form. Simple present tense become simple past tense. One example, I like tea. And in reported speech, this simple present tense become simple past tense. He said that he liked tea. Next, present continuous tense become past continuous tense. Next, present perfect tense become past perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense become past perfect continuous tense. Next, we are going to discuss about past tense rules. Simple past tense become past perfect. Past continuous become past perfect continuous. Past perfect become past perfect. Past perfect continuous become past perfect continuous. Same. But in future tense, shall or will become should or would. Can or may become could or might. Must become must or had to. We can use either must or had to in reporting sentence. Then next we are going to discuss about reporting verbs. In statement, we use say, tell, declare, announce. But in questions, we use ask, enquire, question. But in commands we use order, command, request. But in exclamations we use exclaim, surprise, wonder. Next, we are going to discuss about the change of pronoun. I become he or she in reported speech. We become they. You become I, she, he, they. My become his or her. Our become their. Us become them. In next session, we are going to discuss about the sentence making by applying these tense rules.